Hey guys, making Mukimo tracks. It comprises of matoke, potatoes, njahi, yellow beans, and maize. My fire is a little bit smoky, and it has pumpkin leaves too. I think I'll be able to do it well. When I'm done, I'll share the picture of a plate of my serving. This will be served with cabbages and minced meat. It looks sumptuous, by the way. Let me know how you make your mukimo or your traditional foods, because this is one of our traditional meals is Agikuyu community. For those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. I'm Njahi Matoke. I'll be doing this frequently until I leave my mother's place. So we'll be enjoying a few of traditional meals prepared in a traditional way, that is using firewood and not a modern way of preparing. As you can see, it's quite a lot of food because it's for the whole family and we are quite many. I'm hoping I'll be able to do it finally. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing to my channel. Be blessed.